I will go to Madina to the emotional story of Maleeha every night. When the world went quiet and the moon glowed softly, Maleeha would sit on the rooftop of her house. She would look towards the west, where the sky met the earth, and whisper, "Someday, I will go to Madina too." She didn't know how, she didn't know when, but her heart carried a gentle certainty. Madina Bulawa. Maleeha was a girl with a soft heart and a calm soul. Whenever she heard stories of Masjid Nabawi, the fragrance of Medina, and the peace of the Prophet's city, her eyes would fill with tears, those soft, innocent tears that come straight from the heart. One night, as she listened to her grandmother's stories, her daddy smiled and said, "Beta, Madina yuen logon ko bulata hai jinka dil saaf hota hai." My child, Madina calls those whose hearts are pure. Maleeha held her grandmother's hand tightly, her voice trembling. "Daddy, main apna dil, or sofkoranji, bas, mujhe ek, din bulawa, aaj." And so, she began her journey not towards Medina, but towards becoming worthy of Medina. She woke up early for prayers. She helped her mother without being told. She spoke gently to everyone, even those who weren't kind. She saved her pocket money to give to poor children. Whenever she finished a good deed, she would smile softly and whisper, "Jara sola jamain koshish kar rahi hun, kabina kabi apke shehar zarur angi mons pased." Maleeha became a girl whose eyes shined with hope, whose words were filled with love, and whose heart carried deep respect for the Prophet. One evening, while she was praying, a strange calmness settled around her. Her parents called her gently after Salah. Her mother said, controlling her tears, "Maleeha Madina, ja rahi hain." Maleeha froze. Her lips trembled, her eyes filled instantly. "Sach, mine? Mine Madina jaungi?" Her father nodded tenderly. "Han beta, tumhare dil ka bulawa a gaya." That night, Maleeha cried quietly, not out of sadness, but a heart-touching joy that made her whole soul shake. When they reached Medina, the moment she saw the golden dome, her legs felt weak. A soft breeze touched her face, so peaceful, so sacred, as if the city itself was welcoming her. Standing at the entrance of Masjid Nabawi, she placed her hand on her heart and whispered, "Ya Rasul, alat main aga gayi. Haiz main. Wada kia fa." Tears streamed down her face. She felt something she had never felt before, a warmth inside her chest, like her heart had finally found its home. In that moment, she understood Madina wo jagar nahi jahan surf payan chalt hain. Yahan dil chalta hai. Madina is not a place where only feet travel. The heart travels here. And as she prayed, her soul whispered, "Kabina kabi tuhar insan, Madina jahai, lita hai. Pastel main, mohabbat oni chahi." From that day on, Maleeha knew one thing for sure. Yis kayo Madina se sacha pyar ho. Madina yusa kabi dor nahi